Most of us start the day in fight or flight mode.
I'm late! I'm already late!
Honey, did you even breathe today?
This is a fast morning, and it's destroying your brain.
High cortisol kills your focus before 9 a.m.
Let's try the slow morning protocol. Step 1, the analog wake up. No phone. First, we just sit. We just exist.
Dad, why is it so quiet?
Because we are taking our time today, buddy.
Step 2, hydrate and light. 10 minutes.
It's so peaceful. Usually, you're running around by now.
Not today. Today we breathe. Step 3, low dopamine input. No news, no email.
Allow your brain to wake up without overstimulation.
Can I draw with you, Daddy?
This smell is the best part of the day.
Savor the moment. Don't just consume it.
Step 4, connection before...
Connection. Family before internet. This is a funny joke. Listen.
It feels like we have so much time.
Step 5, stillness. 5 minutes of doing absolutely nothing.
Look, Dad, I'm a statue.
It's not about emptying your mind. It's about pausing the noise.
Okay, mind is ready, now the body. Step 6, low impact movement. Wake up the muscles.
This feels so much better than rushing out the door.
Slow motion today, buddy. Feel the movement.
Come on out, everyone. It's beautiful. Wow, look at the birds.
It smells so fresh out here.
Oxygen is the fuel for your brain reset.
grounding, connecting with the earth.
Look, the flowers are waking up too.
We often rush through nature without seeing it. Step 7, the brain dump. Clearing the mental RAM.
If I only get this one thing done, today is a success.
Sending some love for later.
The chaos hasn't started yet. We are in control.
Plan is set. No anxiety.
Notice we still haven't checked the phone.
That is the superpower.
This protective shield helps you manage those distracting notifications, keeping your focus clear and calm.
Okay, now we switch modes.
I'm ready for school. I have full battery.
This slow morning thing really works.
We reset our brains. Now we are ready for the world.
The phone is a tool, not a master.
The world is rushing, but we are not.
Come on, move already! The light is green! What are you doing?
Someone woke up in fight or flight mode.
That man needs a slow morning, Dad.
When you aren't rushing, you give confidence to your kids.
Bye, Dad. Have a good day.
I know.
Thanks for drawing with me this morning.
That connection fuels you for the rest of the day.
I need those reports on my desk 5 minutes ago.
Excuse me, coming through. Don't mind the coffee.
Zone in. Let's work.
The deadline moved up. We are doomed.
It's okay, Dave. Breathe. We have a plan. A slow morning builds a stress buffer. You become bulletproof.
It works for everyone. Mom is crushing it too. Done by noon. I'm on fire.
Here is the solution. Simple and effective.
Very impressive work.
Even lunch is a mini reset. Keep the slow vibe going.
Best team ever. Work is done. Time for life.
Dad! I scored a goal!
That's awesome. Tell me everything.
Tell me thing. Look, I finished the dragon we started this morning.
Because I wasn't drained by stress, I have energy for them now.
Look at the colors, Poppy.
It's beautiful, isn't it, Mijo?
We are almost home.
The sky looks like cotton candy.
Huh?
Who wants to help make dinner?
Me. I'm the chef.
A good morning saves the whole day.
Mistake #1. The relapse. Your brain craves the dopamine.
Just one check. Just one email.
Caught you. Hand it over, mister.
You're right. I'm weak. Take it away.
Solution. Create a phone jail outside the bedroom.
Mistake #2. Friction. If the house is messy, you can't relax. I don't want to meditate. I need to clean this.
Solution. The evening reset. Clean it before you sleep.
Past me was so nice to future me.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! I'm hungry!
Mistake #3. The chaos factor. Kids don't care about your protocol.
We can have quiet time together. You read, I read.
Yes, it's the quiet dragon pose.
Mistake #4. Perfectionism. Thinking you failed if you missed one step.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just have to be intentional.
I only have 5 minutes today, but I'll make them count.
Something is better than nothing.
The ultimate test. Reacting to accidents. It's okay, buddy. Let's fix it together. Huh?
Teamwork makes the dream work.
When you control the morning, you control the chaos.
We are actually 10 minutes early. Is this real life?